What is the best option to replace a missing tooth? It depends on the situation. This is an example where we have a missing tooth here. My go-to option for a missing tooth is to place a dental implant, as you can see here, and restore just the individual tooth without having to touch the adjacent teeth. And a dental implant is actually 3 parts. You can actually see the screw in here, and then you have another component, which is the abutment, which gets screwed into the implant. The implant actually has an internal connection that we can screw things into it. And then the third piece of a dental implant restoration is actually the crown that gets cemented over that abutment. When you accomplish all 3 of those steps, you now have a fully restored tooth that you can floss in between, and it's individual tooth, and it feels just like the tooth that you used to have. Another option that is offered when a missing tooth requires replacement, which is a more dated option, and we used to do this in the past all the time before we had dental implants, was to prepare a 3-unit bridge. The disadvantage of a 3-unit bridge, as you can tell here, is that all the teeth are connected. When you have a 3-unit bridge, you can no longer floss properly and maintain proper hygiene through the top. You now have to go through the bottom of the bridge. Another disadvantage of a 3-unit bridge is that you do have to prepare the adjacent teeth like this in order to place the bridge. Last but not least, once you have everything connected, if either one of these teeth has a problem in the future, now the whole thing has a problem. So at our practice, we always try to replace teeth with implants when possible. There's still indications where a bridge is still a good option. Many times there's not enough bone. We're trying to avoid vital structures like a nerve or the sinus. But in today's day and age, it's almost always possible to place an implant due to the advances in bone grafting. And whenever possible, we prefer to place an implant because it is the best option and is the closest thing to Mother Nature.